Retail is a dynamic market, whether it's supermarkets, banks, or retail stores or malls. And CSAV System has provided sound and video equipment for all of those applications. Whether your need is background music like XM Music in a bank, or conference space or meeting rooms in a corporate environment, or a large-scale mall like many of the malls we provided where we install hundreds of speakers and miles of wire, CSAV is your chosen vendor, the best choice for sound and video in the business application. Large screen projection, LED TVs, even wireless microphones, and a variety of unique technologies that you may not even be aware of can all be found at CSAV Systems. Retail is always on the cutting edge. CSAV can custom design a system to meet your application and to make your retail environment stand out. A better environment that provides more activity for people who go into your environment, and also, most importantly, is an integral part of the day-to-day operation of your facility. So whatever your needs may be, sound, video, in a retail application, a bank, a supermarket, a mall, or anything in between, please give us a call. We'd love to hear from you, because we're here for the long haul. We're here to support you. We're here to provide you with the systems you need to satisfy your clientele.